How to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, if you want to fix this problem, all you need to do, just open your browser and then click these 3 points here and click history. And now once you're here, click clear browsing data and then click advanced. And now just unselect all of those here, and that's it. Now select cookies and cache the images and files, and then click clear data. And now just turn off your browser and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if you are using the cable, just unconnect the cable and connect it again, and that's it. Then just open your browser and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.